Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at conversations at a hotel, from arriving at the hotel to checking out. Don't worry, everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer in the conversation. Here is today's question. Why was Sam nervous when they arrived at the hotel? The answer is clearly mentioned in the story. If you find it, please write it in the comments in English. Even one simple sentence is perfect. Writing in English helps you improve much faster. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
Wow, we are finally here.
Yes, this is the hotel. It looks really nice.
It looks even better than I expected. I like the design of the building.
I think so too. And it looks very clean from the outside.
I'm so excited about this trip. We can visit many places.
Me too. I want to see the old town and eat local food.
And I want to relax at the hotel too.
That sounds great. We can do both. We have 3 days.
I'm a little nervous though.
Why are you nervous?
Because I have to speak English at the front desk. My English is not perfect.
Don't worry. Your English is good enough. Just speak slowly and clearly.
What if I don't understand what they say?
Then just ask them to repeat. You can say, "Please say that again."
Okay, you're right. I'll try my best.
That's the spirit. Let's go inside and check in.
Do you have the reservation information?
Yes, I have it on my phone. Don't worry about that.
Great. Okay, let's go.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Sam Taylor.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes, I found your reservation. A room for 2 for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Wonderful. May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you very much. One moment, please. Okay, everything looks good. Your room is number 305 on the 3rd floor.
Room 305. Got it. Thank you.
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the 1st floor.
From 7 to 10 in the morning. That's great.
The Wi-Fi password is on a card in your room on the desk.
Oh, good. We'll definitely need it. Thank you for letting us know.
Here is your key. The elevator is on your right, just around the corner.
On my right. Got it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you need anything, please call the front desk. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. We will.
Okay, here we are. Room 305.
Oh, the room is clean and bright.
Yes, it is. And it's bigger than I expected.
The bed looks so comfortable. I want to lie down.
We just got here. Look at the view from the window.
Wow, that's beautiful. I can see the city and the river.
I really like this room. It's perfect.
Me too. Let me check the bathroom. Oh, the shower looks nice, and there are towels, soap, and shampoo.
Great! We have everything we need. This is a really nice hotel.
I agree. I'm happy we chose this one. Now, let me check the Wi-Fi. Where is the card?
It's here, on the desk. The password is written on it. Let me type it in. It's not working. I can't connect.
Really? That's strange. Let me try on my phone. No, it's not working for me either. I typed the password correctly.
Maybe there is a problem with the Wi-Fi in this room.
We should call the front desk and ask for help.
Good idea. I'll call them right now.
Hello, front desk. How can I help you?
Hello, this is room 305. The Wi-Fi is not working in our room. We tried many times, but we can't connect.
I'm very sorry about that. Did you use the password that is on the card on the desk?
Yes, I did. I checked the password 3 times. It is correct.
I see. Can you try turning off your Wi-Fi and then turning it on again?
Okay, let me try. No, it's still not working.
I understand. I'm sorry for the trouble. We will send someone to your room to check the Wi-Fi. Please wait a moment.
Thank you very much. About how long will it take?
About 10 minutes. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We will fix it as soon as possible.
No problem at all. Thank you. Goodbye.
What did they say?
They will send someone to fix the Wi-Fi in about 10 minutes.
Oh, good. That's fast. You did great on the phone, by the way.
Thanks. I was a little nervous, but it wasn't too bad.
See? You can do it.
Good evening. Welcome to the restaurant.
Good evening. We'd like to have dinner here.
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Is that okay?
That's no problem at all. How many people?
Just 2. A table for 2, please.
Sure. Please follow me. I have a nice table by the window.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you. I love sitting by the window.
Here is your table. Please have a seat.
Thank you. This is a really nice spot.
Here is the menu. Can I get you something to drink first?
What do you recommend?
Our iced tea is very popular, and we also have fresh orange juice and lemonade.
The iced tea sounds good. I'll have that, please, and a water with ice for my friend.
Sure. 1 iced tea and 1 water with ice. I'll be right back.
Thank you very much.
Are you ready to order food, or would you like a few more minutes?
A few more minutes, please.
Of course. Take your time.
Okay, we're ready. I'll have the pasta, please, and he'll have the grilled chicken.
1 pasta and 1 grilled chicken. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
The food is here. This looks amazing.
Everything looks so good. Let's eat.
This is delicious. The chicken is so soft.
My pasta is really good too. It's not too salty and not too bland.
How is the sauce?
It's creamy and light. I really like it. Do you want to try some?
Sure. Oh, that is good. The amount is just right, too. Not too much and not too little.
So, what do you want to do tomorrow?
I want to go to the old part of the city. I heard it's very beautiful.
That sounds fun. We can walk around and take pictures.
Yes, and maybe we can find a good coffee shop along the way.
I'd love that. I always enjoy finding cute little coffee shops.
I'm getting a little full now, but I think I'll be hungry again later tonight.
You always get hungry at night, every single time.
I know, I can't help it.
Let's go to a convenience store later. We can buy some snacks for tonight.
Great idea. And we can take a short walk outside after dinner.
Sure, a night walk sounds really nice. The weather is warm tonight.
Yes, it's a perfect evening for a walk.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello. Excuse me, where is the water? I can't find it.
The water is in the back, on the left side. You'll see a big refrigerator.
In the back, on the left side. Thank you. I'd also like these chips, this chocolate, and these bananas.
Sure. Will that be everything?
Yes, that's everything.
Okay. How would you like to pay?
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do. You can use credit cards, debit cards, or cash.
Great. I'll pay with my credit card, please.
Sure. Please tap your card right here.
Okay. Done. Did it work?
Yes, the payment went through. Here is your receipt. Do you need a bag?
No, thank you. We don't need a bag.
Thank you very much. Have a good night.
Thank you. Good night. Okay, we got everything.
Let me see. Water, chips, chocolate, and bananas. That's a lot of snacks.
We need them for later tonight.
You and your late night snacks. So, do you want to keep walking for a bit?
Sure. The night air feels really nice.
I agree. It's such a quiet and peaceful evening.
This is great. I'm glad we came out for a walk.
Me too. Okay, let's head back to the hotel soon. We have a big day tomorrow.
You're right. Let's go back. Good morning, Mina.
Good morning, Sam. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. The bed was so comfortable. How about you?
Me too. I slept like a baby. I didn't wake up at all during the night.
That's great. Oh, let me check the Wi-Fi. I hope they fixed it. Yes, it's working now. They fixed it.
Oh, good. Finally. Now I can check my messages and look at the map.
Me too. I want to look up some places to visit today.
That sounds good.
Do you want to go to breakfast? I'm pretty hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry too. What time is it now?
It's 8 o'clock. We still have plenty of time. Breakfast is until 10.
Perfect. Let me get ready first. I need about 15 minutes.
Sure, no rush at all. Take your time.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, look outside the window. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining.
Wow, you're right. The sky is so blue, not a single cloud.
It's perfect weather for walking around the city. I checked the map, and the old town is not far from here.
That's great. How far is it?
About a 20-minute walk, or we can take a bus.
Let's walk. The weather is so nice. I can't wait.
Okay, get ready. I'll be here.
Wow, there are so many things to choose from.
I know. The bread looks fresh, and the fruit looks delicious.
This is really good. The eggs are perfect.
My coffee is great, too. I'm glad we came down for breakfast.
Me too. Okay, let's finish up and go explore the city. Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Good morning, sir. Of course. May I have your room number, please?
Yes, it's room 305.
Room 305. Thank you. Let me pull up your bill. Here is your bill. Would you like to check it before you pay?
Yes, please. Let me see. 3 nights, room charge, and dinner. This looks correct.
How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by credit card, please.
Sure. Please insert your card here and enter your PIN.
Okay. Done.
Thank you. The payment is complete. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Did you enjoy your stay with us?
Yes, we enjoyed it very much. The room was very nice, and the breakfast was delicious.
I'm so glad to hear that. And I'm sorry again about the Wi-Fi problem on your first night.
Oh, don't worry about that. It was fixed very quickly. No problem at all.
Thank you for your understanding. Oh, and may I have your room key back?
Oh, sorry. I almost forgot. Here you go.
Laugh. No problem at all. It happens all the time. Have a safe trip.
Thank you very much for everything. Goodbye.
Goodbye. We hope to see you again. Please come back.
Well, that was a really great hotel.
I agree. The staff was so friendly and helpful.
The room was clean and comfortable, and the food at the restaurant was delicious.
And the view from our window was amazing. I took so many pictures.
You know, I think I learned a lot of English on this trip.
Really? That's great. Like what?
Like how to check in at a hotel, how to order food, and how to ask for help when something goes wrong.
That's true. You also learned how to pay at the convenience store.
Yes, even the Wi-Fi problem was good practice for speaking English.
That's a positive way to think about it.
I was nervous at first, but now I feel more confident.
You should feel confident. You did very well the whole trip. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mina. I want to travel more and keep practicing my English.
Me too. Let's plan another trip soon, maybe to a different city.
That sounds wonderful. I can't wait.
Next time, we will be even better at English, I'm sure of it.
I hope so. Well, let's go. Our next adventure is waiting.
How was it? I hope this video helped you feel more confident about using English while traveling. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. Why was Sam nervous when they arrived at the hotel? Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you are training your speaking and writing skills at the same time. On this channel, I share slow and easy English conversations so you can build real confidence step by step. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to support this channel, you can use Super Thanks. Your support helps me continue making slow and easy English content for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!